Hi everyone. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to create a folder and add your WhatsApp backup chat in Google Drive in just a few simple steps. First, open the Google Drive app on your phone or go to drive.google.com on your computer. Tap the plus new button and select folder. Name it something like WhatsApp Chat Backup and tap Create. Now, open WhatsApp on your phone. Go to the chat you want to backup. Tap the three dots at the top right, then tap More and select Export Chat. Choose whether to export with media or without media, based on your preference. WhatsApp will generate a file and you'll get sharing options. Choose Save to Drive or Upload to Google Drive. When Google Drive opens, tap on My Drive, then select the WhatsApp Chat Backup folder you created. Tap Save, and you're done. And that's it. You've successfully created a folder and added your WhatsApp Chat Backup to Google Drive. If this video helped, like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quick tech tips. See you in the next video.